In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link and connect DocuSign to Pipedrive CRM step by step. If you're using Pipedrive to manage deals and DocuSign to send contracts or agreements, connecting the two platforms will save you a huge amount of time by letting you send, track, and manage documents directly inside your CRM. I'll walk you through the entire setup process from start to finish, so you can get this integration working in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical CRM tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Pipedrive account. Log in using your credentials so you're inside your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, and from there, you need to click on My Apps. This is where you can manage and install integrations that connect with your Pipedrive account. After clicking on My Apps, you'll be taken to the Apps section. Here, look for the option that says Browse Marketplace. Go ahead and click on Browse Marketplace. This will open the Pipedrive Marketplace, where you can search for third-party apps and integrations that work seamlessly with your CRM. Now that you're inside the marketplace, move to the search bar. In the search field, type DocuSign. Make sure you spell it correctly so the official integration appears in the results. Once you've typed DocuSign, click on the search button to display the available results. You should now see DocuSign listed in the search results. Click on the DocuSign app to open its integration page. This page will show you details about what the integration does, including sending documents, tracking signature status, and syncing information between DocuSign and Pipedrive. On the DocuSign app page, click on the Authorize button. This will begin the connection process between your Pipedrive account and DocuSign. After clicking Authorize, you'll be redirected to a permission screen. On the next screen, click on Next to proceed with the authorization steps. Pipedrive will now ask you to confirm permissions. These permissions allow DocuSign to connect with your CRM data so it can attach documents to deals and contacts properly. Carefully review the permissions being requested. Once you're ready, click on Allow and Install. This step officially connects DocuSign to your Pipedrive account. After you click Allow and Install, the system will complete the integration process automatically. Once installed, DocuSign will now be linked to your Pipedrive CRM. You'll be able to send documents for signature directly from deals, track the status of signed documents, and keep everything organized inside your sales pipeline. This integration helps streamline your workflow, reduce manual uploads, and keep all contract activity connected to your deals. And that's it. That's exactly how you link and connect DocuSign to Pipedrive CRM step by step. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy CRM and software integration tutorials. I post simple, step-by-step guides just like this to help you work smarter and save time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.